All right, ticker symbol is RUN for Sunrun. It looks like it has bounced off the Fibonacci retracement. It is above the 236 mark. Price is now at 75.44 as of this recording. Um, I see this towards the earnings run up, which is on February 25th. Saw the buy signal flashed 4 candles ago on a 4-hour candle. The other indicators are looking good. You have the modified golden cross taking place on February 2nd, and the yellow line is above the blue. You have the red line having turned green and has risen above the blue line as well as above the zero. So, in every which way, we're looking at about a buy signal with 7 confirmations. The one thing that's missing here that I wish I did see was greater than average volume. And right now it's sub 1 million. Um, but altogether, I think Sunrun is going to run towards the earnings on 25th, and probably I would look at it going to 80 to 86 in terms of a price target. So 80, 85 would be a good call spread for end of February or early March. Happy trading.